Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So here we have the 146 in 1 My Dear Science Kit. So are you ready to start some experimenting?
Yes!
High five!
Our first experiment is milk animation. For this experiment, you need soap, milk, earbuds, and edible pigment. First add milk. Now add your colors. I like yellow. Add 1 drop of yellow. Now add blue. Now add red. Oh, that looks like a little rainbow. A cotton spot. Put the little soap here.
Is that cool or what?
It's cool.
Whoa, that one is really cool. Look, it's still going. Alright, so this is our very first science experiment. It's called milk animation. All you need is some milk, dish soap, cotton swabs, and some colorant. That's the experiment for today. Be sure to join us again next time for more science experiments. Bye!
Goodbye.